Storing breast milk properly is so important for your little one. FemHealth chatted with Dr. Saya Nagori, who is a certified lactation consultant, on how to properly store breast milk. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. If you have more questions, place them in the comments so we know what other questions you have that we can answer. Now, let's talk about how to properly store breast milk so that you can preserve its nutrients and use it later. You can store freshly pumped or expressed breast milk for up to 4 hours at room temperature. Room temperature means 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius. It should not be warmer than this. If you are traveling and you are using a cooler with ice packs, breast milk can be stored for up to 24 hours. In a refrigerator that is set at or below 39 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius, breast milk can be stored safely for up to 4 days. In the freezer compartment of a refrigerator, should have a temperature of 5 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 15 degrees Celsius. Breast milk can be stored for up to 2 weeks. For long-term breast milk storage, use a separate freezer that has a constant temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 18 degrees Celsius. If the breast milk is at this temperature, it can be stored for 6 months or longer. Store breast milk in small quantities, since once it is thawed, it should ideally be consumed in its entirety. Do not refreeze milk once you thaw it. Moms will commonly store milk in 2 to 4 ounce quantities in their freezer. It is also helpful to label the milk with the amount of ounces as well as the date the milk was expressed. To properly thaw frozen breast milk, place the container in the refrigerator overnight and let it thaw gradually. If you need the milk quicker, you can place the bag in a bowl of warm water or hold the bag of frozen milk under warm running water. Do not use a microwave to thaw or warm breast milk because this can cause hot pockets inside the milk. For more evidence-based content by expert doctors, subscribe to the FemHealth channel below. Thanks for watching.